Lesson 3. Too big, too small. Today we shall be looking at the vocabulary, word meanings and question answers. Let us have a look at the vocabulary of the chapter. Shanu, Ammi, Abu, caught, puzzled, size, frock, stove, enough, wonder, perfect, carry. Now let us look at the words to know. First one, puzzled. Puzzled means confused. For example, Katy was puzzled. Second, all at once. All at once means at the same time. Lucy was tall and short all at once. Do you remember? Third, wonders. To wonder means to think in order to understand something. For example, Pooh wonders how clouds are formed. Have you ever wondered? Fourth, perfect. Perfect means just right. For example, this dress is perfect in size for me. And the last one is warm. Warm means loving. My mother gives me warm hugs. Now, let us look at the question answers. Question 1. What are the things that Shanu was too big for? Let's try to remember the pictures. Aren't these the things where Shanu was too big? What was she doing in the first one? She is too big to be carried by her mother, right? Then in the second one, she is too big to get into the baby's cot. Third one, she is too big to wear her old pink frock. And fourth, she is too big to climb on her dadu's back. So the answer will be Shanu was too big for the following things. First one, being lifted by Ammi. Second, sleeping in the cot. Third, wearing her old pink frock. And fourth, climbing on Dadu's back. Question 2. What are the things that Shanu was too small for? Let us try to remember. Shanu was too small to go to school alone. Then she was too small to carry the baby to the park. Shanu is too small to cook dosas on the stove. And she was too small to carry the baby on her back. Right? So this is how we will frame the answers. Shanu was too small for the following things. First one, walking alone to school. Second, carrying the baby to the park. Third, making dosas at the stove. And fourth, carrying the baby on her back. Now let's come to question 3. Why was Shanu puzzled? Do you remember the meaning of puzzled? To be puzzled means to be confused. Why was she confused? Let us see. Shanu was puzzled because she was unable to understand as to how she could be small or big all at once. Question 4. What does Ammi say Shanu is just right for? Ammi says that Shanu is just right to go to big school. Question 5. Is Shanu the right size to go for walks with Dadu? Why? What do you think? Yes, Shanu is the right size to go for walks with Dadu because she is not big enough to go out alone. Isn't it? Do you remember when she tried to go to school all by herself and her Abbu stopped her from doing so, saying that she was too small to go to school alone? So, she can always take her Dadu for the walk because then she will have an elder person accompanying her as she is too small to go all by herself. With this, we are done with the vocabulary, word meanings and question answers of the chapter. Write them down in your notebook in beautiful handwriting. Wait. Who's that? Oh, that's Pooh. Looks like Pooh is still wondering how clouds are formed. Can you help him? Happy learning!